Ma'am, good morning, ma'am. My name is Aaron Jeremio from Canlaon City, Base Cream 2, Delta. College of Criminal Justice Education, Department of Criminology, Gilligan City, Negros Oriental, 6214, Philippines. Vision, mission, goals, and corporate values of Negros Oriental State University. Vision, a dynamic, competitive, and globally responsive state university. Mission, the university shall provide excellent instruction, relevant and extension and responsive research and extension services, and quality assured production through competent and highly motivated human capital. Goals: Negros Oriental State University thrives to advance. N stands for National Development through Effective Partnership. O, o stands for Opportunity to Access to Poor but Deserving Student. R, Research and Teaching Function. S, Scholarship and Innovation. U, Unity and Diversity of Culture. Corporate Values. Core values represent what we believe in giving character to our university operation. These are Sapphire. S stands for accountability. S stands for responsibility. A stands for accountability. P stands for professionalism. P stands for patriotism. H stands for harmony. I stands for integrity. R stands for respect. E stands for excellence. Quality policy. Negros Oriental State University commit itself to provide quality instruction, research and extension services, and production, as well as to comply with applicable regulatory and employment of the management system. K. These are kabilan. K stands for kinship of mind and heart for development. A stands for adaptability and accountability profession. B stands for benchmarking with global standards and practices. I stands for industry and hard work for productivity. L stands for leadership in societal transformation. I stands for interdependence with various stakeholders. N stands for nurturing desire for harmony men of men and nature. Criminology education, vision, mission, and objectives. Vision: the College of Criminal Justice Education is actively and continually involved in turning out graduates who will lead the nation in addressing the vital problems of crime controls and meeting the demand for global competitiveness. Mission: the College of Criminal Justice Education program commits itself in providing of community with professionally competent and morally upright graduates who can deliver efficient and effective services in the field of criminology. That's all, ma'am.